Welcome to this powerful summary of The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. In this video, you'll learn all 48 laws, each explained in simple words with relatable, real-life examples. Whether you want to grow in your career, improve relationships, or protect yourself from manipulation, this summary will guide you. Let's begin. Law 1. Never outshine the master. Make your superiors feel superior. If you appear too brilliant, they may feel insecure and retaliate. Example. In royal courts, those who were too talented were often removed by jealous kings. Law 2. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. Friends may betray emotionally. Enemies have something to prove and may be more reliable. Example. Abraham Lincoln hired his rivals in his cabinet. They worked harder to win his trust. Law 3. Conceal your intentions. Don't reveal your true goals. Hide your plans and strike when ready. Example. Apple kept the iPhone secret until launch, stunning the world. Law 4. Always say less than necessary. Powerful people speak less. It adds mystery and control. Example. Elon Musk often lets results speak louder than interviews. Law 5. So much depends on reputation. Guard it with your life. Your reputation is your armor. Once ruined, recovery is hard. Example. Brands like Rolex survive on reputation alone. Law 6. Court attention at all costs. To be ignored is to be powerless. Stand out. Example. Lady Gaga used outrageous fashion to stay in headlines. Law 7. Get others to do the work, but always take the credit explanation. Use others' skills. Save energy. Example. Thomas Edison took credit for inventions made by his team. Law 8. Make other people come to you. Use bait if necessary. When you force others to act, you hold power. Example. In chess, drawing your opponent into a trap wins the game. Law 9. Win through actions, never through argument. Words rarely convince, show results. Example. Gandhi used peaceful protest. Action, not argument. Law 10. Infection. Avoid the unhappy and unlucky. Negativity is contagious. Avoid emotional leeches. Example. Businessmen distance themselves from constant complainers. Law 11. Learn to keep people dependent on you. The more people rely on you, the more control you hold. Example. Microsoft made Windows essential in every office. Law 12. Use selective honesty and generosity to disarm your victim. A small act of honesty hides a big move. Example. A thief offering charity may be hiding a scam. Law 13. When asking for help, appeal to self-interest. People care about themselves. Show them what they gain. Example. Politicians don't ask for votes. They offer promises. Law 14. Pose as a friend, work as a spy. Learn secrets by being close. Example. Corporates often gather data through friendly surveys. Law 15. Crush your enemy. Totally explanation. Never leave room for revenge. Example. Alexander the Great destroyed entire cities that opposed him. Law 16. Use absence to increase respect and honor. Too much presence reduces value. Leave and return stronger. Example. Celebrities take breaks and return to applause. Law 17. Keep others in suspended terror. Cultivate an air of unpredictability. Surprise keeps people cautious. Example. Steve Jobs was unpredictable and powerful. Law 18. Do not build fortresses to protect yourself. Isolation is dangerous explanation. Stay connected. Power lies in networks. Example. Billionaires attend summits, not hide. Law 19. Know who you're dealing with. Don't offend the wrong person. Some people forgive, others destroy. Example. Avoid insulting powerful or prideful people. Law 20. Do not commit to anyone. Explanation: stay neutral. Don't take sides. Example. Switzerland stays neutral in wars and survives. Law 21. Play a sucker to catch a sucker. Seem dumber than your mark. Pretend to be weak or dumb. It lowers guards. Example. Sherlock Holmes acted clumsy to gather clues. Law 22. Use the surrender tactic. Transform weakness into power explanation. Retreat to win later. Example. Chinese military retreats, then surrounds the enemy. Law 23. Concentrate your forces explanation. Focus beats multitasking. Example. Elon Musk focuses fully on one company at a time. Law 24. Play the perfect courtier. Please your bosses without flattery. Be graceful. Example. Diplomats use charm to win alliances. Law 25. Recreate yourself. Explanation. You decide your identity. Reinvent constantly. Example. David Bowie changed personas to stay fresh. Law 26. Keep your hands clean. Explanation. Let others do dirty work. Example. Kings punished through ministers. Law 27. Play on people's need to believe to create a cult-like following. Explanation. Offer a vision. People will follow blindly. Example. Apple fans worship Steve Jobs' ideology. Law 28. Enter action with boldness. Explanation. Be confident. Doubt is weakness. Example. Julius Caesar crossed the Rubicon. No turning back. Law 29. Plan all the way to the end. Explanation. Think long term. Example. Chess champions plan 10 moves ahead. Law 30. Make your accomplishments seem effortless. Explanation. Hide your hard work. Example. Olympic athletes trained for years perform like magic. Law 31. Control the options. Get others to play with the cards. UDL explanation. Offer limited choices. All win for you. Example. Shops offer 3 packages, all controlled pricing. Law 32. Play to people's fantasies. Explanation. People want dreams, not facts. Example. Ads sell happiness, not products. Law 33. Discover each man's thumbscrew. Explanation. Everyone has a weakness. Use it. Example. Political rivals are exposed through scandals. Law 34. Be royal in your own fashion. Act like a king to be treated like one. Explanation. Behave with dignity and confidence. Example. Leaders dress and talk like they already rule. Law 35. Master the art of timing. Explanation. Don't rush. Wait for the perfect moment. Example. Investors buy when the market is low. Law 36. Disdain. Things you cannot have. Ignoring them is the best revenge. Explanation. Ignoring shows power. Example. When insulted, silence hits harder than reaction. Law 37. Create compelling spectacles. Explanation. Visual drama builds influence. Example. Elon Musk launches rockets. Media goes wild. Law 38. Think as you like but behave like others. Explanation. Blend in while being unique inside. Example. Many geniuses stayed quiet in strict regimes. Law 39. Stir up waters to catch fish. Explanation. Chaos reveals people's true nature. Example. Interrogators use stress to get truth. Law 40. Despise the free lunch. Explanation. Nothing is truly free. Example. Free apps sell your data. Law 41. Avoid stepping into a great man's shoes. Explanation. Create your own legacy. Example. Don't try to be the next Steve Jobs. Be you. Law 42. Strike the shepherd and the sheep will scatter. Explanation. Remove the leader. The group falls. Example. Mafia gangs collapse after boss is arrested. Law 43. Work on the hearts and minds of others. Explanation. Win emotions, not just logic. Example. Martin Luther King Jr. inspired hearts. Law 44. Disarm and infuriate with the mirror effect. Explanation. Reflect people's actions. They feel exposed. Example. Mocking a bully stone can silence them. Law 45. Preach the need for change, but never reform. Too much at once. Explanation. Change slowly. Too fast causes chaos. Example. Successful reforms happen step by step. Law 46. Never appear too perfect. Explanation. Show flaws to avoid envy. Example. Leaders joke about mistakes to seem human. Law 47. Do not go past the mark you aimed for. In victory, learn when to stop. Explanation. Know when to stop. Overconfidence kills. Example. Napoleon went too far into Russia and failed. Law 48. Assume formlessness. Explanation. Adapt like water. Never be rigid. Example. Bruce Lee. Be like water, my friend. Thanks for watching. If this video gave you insight into power and strategy, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below. Which law surprised you the most? Stay smart. Stay powerful.